Hi, I'm Dave with the YANMAR Academy. Backhoes are a very useful option when attached to your tractor. Occasionally, they may need to be removed and later reinstalled. In this video, we will go through all the best practices to remove and reinstall the B85 backhoe on a YM3 Series tractor. Always stand between the rear tire and backhoe stabilizer arms or alongside the tractor to avoid being trapped should the boom swing control be accidentally activated. Do not stand between the backhoe step and the tractor's rear tire. Keep all persons away from the operator control area while performing adjustments, service, or maintenance on the backhoe. Keep feet from under the backhoe to prevent accidents should the backhoe suddenly drop. During the removal or reinstallation process, if the tractor is required to run, make sure to operate it idle. Position the tractor on a hard, level surface for best results. Next, remove the swing lock pin, the transport locking pin, and the stabilizer locking pins. Then adjust the boom and arm to form a 90-degree angle. Once the boom is set, lower the stabilizers to near the ground and use the boom to relieve the pressure from the mainframe mounting pins. Once the pressure is relieved, remove the pins and store them for later use. With the pins removed, raise the boom to tilt the backhoe mainframe away from the tractor. Once these 3 bolts are cleared, lower the stabilizers to raise the backhoe mainframe until the hooks clear the brackets. Move the tractor forward if necessary to clear the backhoe brackets. To prevent damage by overstretching, pay particular attention to the hydraulic hoses. Now place the blocks under the backhoe mainframe and lower the backhoe to storage position. And turn the tractor off. Once the mainframe is resting on the blocks, rotate the implement control lever to relieve hydraulic system pressure and disconnect the power beyond from the tractor to the backhoe. Next, connect the power beyond lines from the tractor together. To prevent contamination, connect the hydraulic lines of the backhoe as well. Make sure there is a slow-moving vehicle sign on the back of the tractor, and you're ready to go. When you're ready to reconnect the backhoe, make sure the 3-point hitch is removed and the hydraulic flow control knob is fully opened. Then back up the tractor so that the power beyond can be connected. Next, set the brake, shut the tractor off, and relieve the hydraulic pressure. Now connect the backhoe hydraulic lines to the power beyond of the tractor. Now that they are connected, start the tractor and lower the stabilizers to raise the backhoe until the hooks are over the pins of the tractor. Raise the stabilizers to lower the backhoe frame until the hooks are seated on the pins. Lower the boom to tilt the backhoe mainframe until the upper pin holes are aligned. Use the stabilizers, bucket, and boom until the pin holes are aligned. Then insert the pins and linch pins. The backhoe is now reconnected. You'll want to secure your blocks for later use, then position the stabilizers, boom, arm, and bucket into travel position. Once you secure the travel lock and make sure you have a slow-moving vehicle sign, you'll be ready to go. That's it for today. Happy digging. Like this video if you would like to see more content like this. Consult your operation manual or visit your local dealer for more information. Don't forget to visit us on the web at yanmartractor.com. If you're already an owner, visit us at yanmarowners.com.